All right, ladies, welcome to Mindful Attraction. All right, I hope I see the Mindful Gang down there and the notification squad. So I want to hear from you guys. Okay, if you're not notified, hit the notification button to get notified, and let's begin. All right, look, ladies, I got a questions from one of my followers, somebody on Patreon, and she's also one of my clients, stuff like that. And she was asking me, why don't men take me seriously? She was like, that a lot of guys just like her sexually. And then I was like, okay. And then she sent me the photo, and I was like, why are you sending me photos? By the way, I hate when clients send me photos. Like, I really don't like it. But then I was like, oh, okay. I'm like, I can see why they don't take you seriously. I mean, goddamn shit, right? But that wasn't all, because again, that she could just dress modestly, and guys would take it a little bit more serious. But there was something more from her voice and from when she was talking to me that instantly made me see what was a problem. And it was this: she sounded too goddamn happy. I swear to God, people, she sounded too happy. I know you guys are like, so you telling us we can't be happy? What the hell is that? That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that when you give your happiness, when you show them your good moods, when you show them your happy side, that's a gift. That's a gift you give to people. That's something you give to people that you know closely. It's almost like when you say, I only let my close friends the hell is that? I only let my close friends call me by my nickname. Oh, okay, it's apple juice. I was like, that better be apple juice. Yeah, it's apple juice. Somebody left this from the seminar the other day. I think they left their apple juice. I was like, what the fuck? It has an apple, so it is an apple juice. And somebody, what was I saying? So when she talked to me, she sounded very serious. Like, not very serious, too happy. She was laughing and everything. She was like, Alex! Like, it sounded like she was on Maury, like Alex! And I was like, yeah, what's up, man? Yeah, I want to know what's going on. Oh, okay. Can you just talk a little calmer? Honestly, she was like very, she was just one of those bubbly people, right? You know those bubbly people, right? And from talking to her, I found out a few things. One, she's very excited when she talks, right? She talks very excited. Two, she's very forgiving. If you flake on her, if you don't text her back, she'll forgive you. You know, like, she'll forgive you. She'll just say, oh, maybe he was just, maybe he was just busy, right? And there's nothing wrong with that, right? But what happens is that you tend to look over the moments of clear disrespect. You tend to ignore the moments of clear disrespect. You see what I'm saying? So she was like, oh, Alex, why don't guys take me seriously? First of all, you give them the full range of your personality too quickly. People need to earn that. You see what I'm saying? People need to earn the full range of your personality. That means that you just show them a small part when you meet them. You show them a small taste, right? You're happy and excited, but not too happy and excited. You gotta give me something to be happy and excited. You know, I'm not gonna say that because she might be watching it. But the point is that when you're talking to a guy, learn to calm down when you talk. Learn to be more serious. As a woman, I swear to God, women, if you're just more serious around a man, talk with him with more dignity, not too excited, more relaxed. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, how's it going? Nice to meet you. You're more relaxed, man. By the way, I have a seminar upcoming in New York City and in London. Next Sunday is London. This Sunday that's coming up is London. And then New York City is going to be around February. All right? So if you want to attend, click on the description down below where my seminar to New York City is, okay? All right. So yeah, ladies, and that's a problem, that it's like too happy. And I know it sounds crazy, but that's what it is, all right? Now, the next thing is that you speed the relationship up too fast. You want that relationship and you're not willing to walk away. And I always talk about that, and that shouldn't be I shouldn't repeat that in this video again. But you're not willing to walk away. Right? If you're willing to walk away, you're gonna have all of these characteristics. But if you're not willing to walk away, you're gonna be like this. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Like, very like, hey, look, I'm funny. I have a great personality. No, like, reduce it, lower down. Trust me, he'll like you if you simmer it. Don't be at a boiling point. Be at a simmering point. All right? And that's how guys take you seriously. Be less forgiving. Be less forgiving of people's bullshit. If you just develop that habit of being less forgiving, if you're somebody who's a pushover, just train yourself to be less forgiving. If you're somebody that's less forgiving, train yourself to be more forgiving as an exercise. You see what I'm saying? As an exercise. Someone's like, okay, I'll forgive him. As an exercise. To show you new ground. To show you new ways of acting. All right? All right, ladies. This is Alex from Mindful Attraction. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And you guys have a good day. Peace out. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, you little subscriber. Oh, you got the best subscribers. Oh, you got the subscribers. All right, ladies. So, finally, I have released my second course for women, which is Natural Chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're going to get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine, natural chemistry. No more short-term partners. No more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this 3rd week, setting boundaries. We go over the 3rd week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, 4th week, 5th week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses. My Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are 1. The natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything. The laws of human nature, I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free, and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're going to love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now, all right? I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.